Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing a tour of my new craft room. Let's get into it. Here we are. Welcome to my craft room slash home office. It is definitely not perfect, but all the boxes that I had at my disposal upstairs have been unpacked. So I just need the other boxes to come upstairs and then I can unpack those and I will give you guys an entire full tour in a couple months. So I've got my ironing board there. So the cover's got to be in one of those boxes downstairs. And it can go right here in front of the treadmill. Treadmill's on wheels. It can move out if I need to, but there's a plug right here. So starting on this wall, we have a light hooked up to the light switch. This bookcase is meant to be all of my paper crafting. I've also got my dolls and Barbies up there. Right now, some spots are just cluttered because I was trying to empty boxes. Here, I've got all of the flannel that's been cut. It needs to be cut down all the way to be reusable towels and then serged. We've got some interfacing and some packaging boxes, inventory, extra serger thread, interfacing. I like to keep my interfacing in the closet because it's fusible. So I want to make sure that it doesn't accidentally get sticky by sitting in the sun. I've got my printer cart here with my sewing machine. It's a Brother SE600. I love it. I've got some different Etsy and shipping supplies and paper crafting things. I've got my cordless iron and my serger, which is a 1034D, a Brother as well. I've got my little office space where I can do my work that pays the bills. We've got fabric over here. This cart is from Amazon. That cart's from Amazon. This table here is from IKEA, as well as the waste bins. They're all stuck together, so I need to pry them apart. We've got Alex drawers here and then a big tabletop. This is a Pottery Barn bookshelf, but it's from Facebook Marketplace. We've got some Sterilite 3 drawers. This is stuff that was in the fabric closet in the old house. So this is just different like zippies of scraps and in between projects. This is all of the jean material that was a project that I started and didn't finish. Some of my machines that are still in their bags. This first bookcase here is all cotton flannel. You can see I also have like a ton of trinkets on my shelves. It is way too many trinkets. So I'm just a hoarder. When someone gives me something, I can't get rid of it. So I've got too many trinkets, but I need like shelves or something more to display, like something on the wall, you know, maybe put some shelves here. Anyways, we've got cotton flannel all here, as well as up here is full yardage of quilting cotton. This is the first dollar that I ever made with my business, which used to be called Tansley Paper Co. Here we've got quilting cotton all through here in different categories. If you want to see me unboxing these and putting them on the shelves, check out that video. I'll have it linked down below. So we've got just patterns up here, florals, and then here is license and masculine, and then plaid and gingham and children's, solids, fruits, animals. These are special fabrics for me. Holiday. Over here we've got like more duck cloth or canvas, and then these ones are like the image is printed and you cut out that image. These are fleece for a specific project. So more fleece. These on the shelf here is like it's newer fabric that I still haven't, you know, finished processing and needs to be put on comic book boards. So this is what I need to work on. That fabric I think is from a haul like a year ago. Yeah. And then additional cotton flannel, the cat pattern. This is my current project basket I'm working in. Some fleece. In the drawers, we've got a bunch of shelf liner and serger thread and regular thread and elastic, as well as patterns. This is all patterns, thrifted or bought new, or I made myself. This is hardware. This is also hardware. I've got my big guillotine cutter right there. This is that cube organizer I had in the closet at the other house. I need to find the connector pieces. I bet it's in a box downstairs, and I can put it together, and then I'll be able to organize that ordeal. The Alex drawers are pretty empty. There's not a ton in each drawer because not everything has come up yet, but and I just labeled them on the drawer there, but yeah, I don't have all the stuff yet. Like I said, I owe you guys another video. My card bases, I buy the card as an 8.5 by 11 sheet and I take it to FedEx and I have them cut it for me. These are my stickers. I have a whole video about how I organize my stickers like that. I love it. So, oh, and this office chair, this is a new chair. I got it because the arms go up. This is why I picked this one, and I think it's pretty. And it's not leather, so my legs aren't gonna stick to the chair. And I also got special wheels. They're like roller blade wheels so that it's supposed to glide better. It does glide better, but it's still not great. I just didn't want one of those pad things on the ground. I can't stand those things. I do not like the idea of having my craft room on carpet, but you know, we didn't buy this house, so I don't have a choice. I have to deal with what I got. And then up here, this is a tissue box holder. And then this is where I keep all of my supplies that I need on hand for sewing. So anyways, like I said, I will give you guys another tour once I have every single thing. But that is what I have right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.